Have you ever wondered how the same exact prompt can give you totally different results depending on the AI model and the service provider you use? In this video, I'm putting some of the biggest players in the industry, Krea, Gemini, and Firefly, together for a test of the new AI model, which probably you have heard of, the Nano Banana. To rise up the stakes, we'll also compare the results to OpenAI's ChatGPT 5. Hi, my name is Sergey, and if you're new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you like it. So what is exactly Nano Banana? Actually, the official name for it is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And the name Nano Banana came into social media, it is said by Google engineers. So this is sort of like a nickname for this AI model. What makes it different from other models? Well, it is said to be a very powerful image generator, and the super skills that it has is the ability to change things inside of the image, to make edits while keeping, for example, the same character in the image. For example, if we prompt or we use a photo of a model in like red dress, we can edit by changing the color of that dress or changing the hair color and all that stuff, and removing the background. And it is said to be very powerful in these things, especially for keeping the same character that was in the first photo. And this is really important. So as I said, we're going to be using 3 service providers for Nano Banana. I'm sure there are a lot of other ones, but these are the ones that I think are the most popular. So the first one is going to be Krea, and the second one Gemini, and Firefly. Well, I already did some testing, and you can see the results on my screen right now. I wanted to use the same prompts and to see how each service provider is different. So in all of them, I used Nano Banana. So the first prompt was to make a film, kind of like fashion film still of a model on the runway, using the 35mm cinematic grain and 70s Vogue aesthetic. So this is the results that we're getting from the Krea. As you can see, I really love the results. We're getting the grain here, and the colors are a little bit faded. And let's see the results in Gemini. Here it is. It looks more like digital photograph, and it looks very clean. But look at the model; everything is so cool and so clean. It looks like a real photograph. Do you remember the times when we had like 3 eyes or 5 fingers? Let me know in the comments if you were getting such images. And the last one is Adobe Firefly, and here the image is pretty similar to what we were getting in Krea, and you see like the dress and the fur here, and also the aesthetic of the film look, very similar. But in Krea, I kind of like the colors, and they're warm, and Adobe gives this a more cool effect. You see more blues here. And this one is like super clean. So this is a Gemini. So basically this is the original service provider for the Nano Banana. But the result that we get here, well, I don't know, in my opinion, is the least pleasing to me. And the important thing is that in Krea, you're actually getting 2 images to choose from. And in Firefly, you only get 1. The next prompt that I did was a stylish Vogue cover shot with a woman enjoying sunset pasta, with vibes of a taste of Dolce Vita, blah, blah, blah. So let's see the results. So this is what we got from Firefly, and this is for the Gemini app. You can compare them. For some reason, it's horizontal. Oh, and also the important thing that in Gemini, you're getting the watermarks, but it's completely free. And in Krea, this is what I got. I got even the smoke here that it shows that it's warm. It looks like it's burning though, but this one is pretty cool. And there is no smoke anywhere else, right? So again, I believe Krea gives the better results in using Nano Banana model. This one, I don't know. I'm not sure. And the Firefly is pretty good as well. But this is my favorite. This is really cool. I see it like really on the cover, and it gave the logo on top. And the third one was the woman in wet hair still. Some mistake here. Anyway, in swimming fashion editorial portrait. It has the golden earrings. We have some flashing of the gold on her skin. Blah blah blah. Strong colors, contrast, close-up fashion shot. This is Krea. I really love the results. This is like really, really detailed. Look at the skin and everything. This is so cool. And this is what I got for the Gemini. It's nice. It looks very realistic again. I like the shadow from the eyelashes, but I don't like the amount of these water drops. It looks like a lizard skin or something like that, right? And for the Firefly, this one looks very photoshopped. Like the skin is like super photoshopped. This is what I did when I used to be a photographer, like, 15 years ago. So this one for me is very photoshopped. Again, Krea, I believe this is the best one. And the last here is the chic young woman speeding along the Sun Beach Coast Road in vintage convertible. Their crush light, blah blah blah. So there's a summer scarf fluttering around her head, capturing as editorial portrait woman. So let's see the Krea and another image. This one is super cool. And this is what I got for Gemini. And this is the image. Very different, horizontal. It looks very Hitchcock, I think, like kind of movie style, and like front flash. But it's nice again. And the Firefly. Let's see the last one. Yep, this is how it looks. Okay, so these are like the results, and let's do something else. Let's make another prompt, and I want to create this prompt, and then we'll try to combine it and use the edits to update it. So basically, let's start with the Firefly. Here in Firefly, you need to check and to choose the model, which is called Gemini 2.5, right? As we understood. And here we'll prompt it as a surreal, playful advertising image depicting a model in stylish, bright textured dress and matching tights. The scene takes place against the backdrop of meadow and wild flowers under the soft blue sky. So let's see. And same for the Gemini app. So for the Gemini app, we need to actually go to Tools and choose Create Image. And we can see that we're using 2.5 Flash for this. And let's prompt the same thing. And let's go to Krea. And now I want to have another session. And here I will need to choose a model Nano Banana over here. And we'll generate an image. Let's see the results for Firefly. Whoa, look at this. This is really strange, right? This is, I don't know. It's very surrealistic. Yeah, it's very strange. Maybe because it says surreal, playful advertising image. Well, okay, let's leave it like this. Let's see the results of Gemini. Well, this one is pretty interesting. Oh, very Vogue style. And I kind of like the flowers around. And for the Krea, wow, look at this. It has a smiling face, has some bubbles here. And this one is pretty good as well. And also it put the fragrance. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't have any fragrance inside. Okay. So, and now let's try to... Oh, let's compare it to ChatGPT. For ChatGPT 5, I have image, and we'll use the same prompt. And now what I want to do, I want to add a fragrance to this image. So I will use this prompt to combine two images and let the model hold a bottle of perfume provided in the image. And I will upload a bottle that I already prepared over here and combine the second image. I like this one more, so I'll update the second image and let the model hold a huge bottle of perfume provided from provided image. Let's see what are we gonna get. And I'll copy the prompt. We'll go to Gemini and we'll add a file, and I'll update the image. Let the model hold the huge bottle of perfume provided from the provided image. All right. And for the Firefly, I don't like the result, but again, like this. Okay, so these are the results for the Gemini. Let's look at them. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, the model face is almost the same, and the pose is also the same, right? And now it's holding, well, a little bit different in the face, but still the result is really good. Let's see Krea. Krea got a totally different thing, you see? Totally different. Probably we'll need to download this image. And let's try. I was expecting that we're gonna get this. So let's try to add the image we got from the generator, and we'll use this prompt actually that I prepared. And let's generate. So we're using Nano Banana. Yep. And let's see what we got from ChatGPT 5. So basically this is it's pretty good, right? But for some reason we got the balloon. Okay, so let's try to add an image of the fragrance again, and tell him update the image, let the model, let the model hold a huge bottle of perfume provided. All right, and let's see how it should work. Let's go back to Krea and see the results. Well, not as what I was expecting. You see, problems are here. Well, in Gemini, it was much better, right? And let's go back to Firefly. Actually, in Firefly, we got almost the same result as we're getting here. So it's quite interesting. But let's try another prompt. Here in Gemini, change the color of the dress to pink. And let's see how it will work. Let's try again. Here in Gemini, you can see that we have the same image. Basically, it's the same one, and now it's in pink color. So the results are really good. You see? And so it kind of remembered this image and used it and just changed the color of the dress. And now we can also try to change the sky to sunset. And let's see what's gonna happen. Yep. So this is the second result. So it's pretty good. The cool thing is that we see the image that I was uploading of this model is still the same. So it's not changing, and this is really good. So it kind of remembers it, but it adds a fragrance, a bottle. And the cool thing is that you see it made it transparent. Yeah, it's kind of strange. Let's try to do something else. Let's try not a huge, just to hold a bottle of perfume from the image provided. Let's see what we're gonna get. And for the Gemini, we see the result. Now we see the sunset. You see the colors changed. It's more like pink and orange. And the results, yeah, are pretty good. Let's go back to our ChatGPT 5, and this is what we get. Well, it's pretty good. It has almost the same model, different expression a little bit, but the way it looks is pretty similar, right? But the expression, yeah, I see, like, it's different. So the face is different, basically. And just to check and to compare, we'll change the color of the dress to pink. Oh, you see, ChatGPT changed everything basically, and for some reason it has also a cap here. Well, okay, so another test. What I want to do, I want to remove the background from the image. I will use the one that I generated previously, and I'll say that remove background, and we'll see how it's gonna work. Again, Nano Banana in Krea, and here in Gemini, let's test it as well. And in Firefly, yeah, here in Krea, we got the results, and they're pretty cool. I kind of like the second one. You see, this one is really good. I would do the same thing in Photoshop, but it will take me probably, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. But here we got it in less than 1 minute. So this is huge, guys. This is so cool. We can see that we have some little slight changes, and I love the second one more. So basically you can get it and you can use it, like you can remove the white in Photoshop or some other app so to make it transparent and apply a different background. And let's see, yeah, so in Gemini app we got the results, so they're very similar to what we got here. Both are perfect, as I said. And the coolest thing is that, again, we are getting the same image, so we're not getting something different. And Firefly, yeah, we got the same cool results. So these are really good things that we're getting, and the results are pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. I want to finish my banana, but while I do that, please don't forget to like the video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And in the comments below, please tell me which service provider you like the most and which results you like from what we were getting. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.